What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my home. As you know, I have 4 fur babies, and if things get a little crazy in here, you've been warned, but we're gonna give it a go. I also just finished working out, so excuse the hot mess express here, but I had a serious chocolate craving, and so I figured I'm just gonna record it right now and show you guys what I'm doing and how you can make it too. I shared this on my Instagram stories yesterday, and I had so many requests for the recipe, so I figured everybody just needs to have it. So what we're making today is a chocolate mug cake, and you make it in the microwave. It takes 1 minute. I swear this is going to be the easiest dessert you've ever made in your life. So what you're gonna need is, of course, 1 good sized mug. Peanut butter is going to be optional. If you don't like peanut butter, you don't have to put that in there. I just like chocolate and peanut butter together, so I'm going to add a little bit of that. And then also a little bit of stevia in the raw. Again, optional. You don't have to use the stevia if you don't want to. The special ingredient is already sweet enough as it is, but I have a major sweet tooth, so I'm adding a little bit of stevia. You're going to need baking powder, 1 egg, some almond milk. You don't have to have the chocolate almond milk, but again, you can see my sweet tooth is really bad because I have chocolate almond milk. You can use the regular almond milk, is fine. And then you need the secret ingredient. Now the secret ingredient you cannot buy in any store, but luckily you can get it from me. So the secret ingredient is actually Shakeology. Now, if you're not drinking Shakeology, you should definitely look into it. It is going to be the healthiest thing that you've ever put in your body. It is all natural, filled with a ton of superfoods. All natural, no added colors, preservatives. It's just the healthiest thing that you can put in your body. It comes in plenty of different flavors. It comes in a whey option for protein as well as a vegan option. This one is, it comes in a 30-day supply like this as well. This is cafe latte, but I have my chocolate one right here, and this is what we're gonna use today. If you want to give it a try, we also have it in little individual sized packets. You can order a sampler of the whey or the vegan option as well. So I will link up an informational video for the Shakeology down below, and you can check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on how you actually make the mug cake. So we are going to start with the dry ingredients first. So I'm going to take 1 scoop of my chocolate Shakeology right into the mug. Then you're going to throw in some baking powder. You only need 1/4 teaspoon, so not a whole lot of baking powder. And I'm going to put that right in there. Then I'm also going to add in the stevia. And I'm going to give that a little bit of a mix. Then we're going to add in the wet ingredients. So I'm going to put my egg in there. And with the almond milk, you can either use 2 or 3 tablespoons, depending on how you like the consistency of your cake. I like a little bit more creamy, chewy, so I'm going to add 3. And once you have all of that in there, you're gonna give it a mix, and it's going to resemble cake batter. So make sure you stir it to the consistency that you see the batter. Make sure you get it all out from the edges and the corners, all of the powder. And I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, so I've got it all mixed up, and I hope that you can see this. So it looks just like regular cake batter. And if you want to add the peanut butter, now's your time. So you add just a little, however much you want to add. Put it right there in the middle, and then just push it down a little bit so that it's right in the center. Now, when you put this in the microwave to cook it, of course, it's gonna like build up like a cake, and it'll go around that peanut butter. So now, again, depending on how you like, probably got peanut butter all in my teeth. Depending on how you like your cake is going to determine how long you want to cook it for. Again, I like mine a little bit more chewy and like gooey and warm in the center. So I'm going to put mine in the microwave for 1 minute exactly, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so 1 minute in the microwave and done, and we have the finished product. So I'm going to have the hubby zoom in here. How freaking amazing and delicious does that look? So I'm going to go ahead and get right in there. And you have a delicious chocolate mud cake. Simple as that. Give it a try. If you aren't subscribing to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and give this a share to all of your friends. Talk to you soon.